Hello everyone, and this is Reggie with another video. In this video, I'm just doing a quick brief description on how to order parts. So we're going to use Simply Parts, and there's a link in the description. So make sure you use my link. That helps get me credit, and we can keep this thing going. Also, Simply Parts is powered by Encompass. So this is for retail customers. So if you are, just buying one part for your dryer, it's an awesome value. It's OEM parts. If you are a servicer and you buy multiple parts, email me. My email's in the description, and I can set you up with a wholesale account. So for the first timers, let me show you how this is done. So if you go here where it says description, where it says search, it says search. You put in your model number. Model numbers are typically located like on dryers, usually in the door frame, on washers, usually in the frame of the lid, or sometimes in the back of the machines. So you want to put in. Oh, excuse me. Can't walk and chew gum at the same time here. All right, so got a model number, and it kind of shows you a description of the model you're putting in. So you select here. The nice thing about Simply Parts is that Simply Parts shows you you can go ahead and print off the owner's manual to your machine, and that's really good too. Especially if you're, let's say, you're reselling your machine, it's nice to have an owner's manual with it. But you can print out the owner's manual or download it to your computer. Also have interactive exploded views, so it shows you inside of the dryer part by part, and you kind of click on the part itself. Not all model numbers show that, but a lot of them do. But this, what we're going to do here, we're just going to go, let's say, so you got a bunch of parts here. You can kind of just scroll down, or you can narrow it down by putting like a keyword. So we're going to go with element. And so, boom, we got the heating element here, right? So again, these prices are as of the recording of this video and our retail prices. So if you are you want a wholesale account and you buy multiple parts, then just email me and I'll hook you up. Anyway, great deal. These are OEM parts, so these are these are straight from the manufacturers. They're original parts that they use. So here you have a heating element, and then also, which is nice, is this uh, wire, because a lot of times that wire will actually burn out on the heating element. So you can actually buy the wire too with the wing nut. So that's pretty cool. So let's go and see the element here. And so you got a description here, and you scroll down. Remember to scroll down. A lot of good information down here. You can put in your model number if you happen to type in heating element, and this will pop up, and you can kind of back test your model number to make sure it works. We already did that, but let's put it in anyway. See, boom. And then go down here, you got different model numbers that this is compatible with too. And I'm sure the list is way longer. It's a very common part. And then you have frequently bought together. Now, I like when I order like different stuff, like things on other websites and stuff. There's always this little section, and it's usually nothing to do with what you're ordering. This is the exception. These fuses, I highly recommend you order with the element. Usually, come in kits. So you get these element here, or you can get the high limit fuse too. In addition to this, if you have, depends on your setup of your dryer. But usually this set here will pretty much do it for you. You got fresh tablets, which is good to help clean your machine, and you got that for your dishwasher too. So yeah, so you just go ahead and you plug it in. You hit add to cart. You can change the volume, the quantity here. Hit update, checkout, excuse me. And boom, see, you put your information in, your credit card information in, and you have your totals here. So you got the subtotal, $10 shipping, which is pretty good because I think that is next day shipping in most cases. You get the next day if you ordered it before like 2 o'clock, or take about 2 days. They're pretty fast. So that's nice. And you have taxes here, and so that's your total. So pretty much that's how it's done. So any questions? Don't forget to leave in the description. I've got a lot of information in the description about how to reach me and different things that can help out. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. That way you can tell the algorithms that this is useful content. And I'll see you on the next video.